Yes, yes, it has come. Yeah.
Jai Gurudev, my name is Avani. Today I am going to speak about acid rain formation. What is acid rain? Countries like USA, India, China, etc. experience acid rain. One of the main causes of acid rain formation is factories. Other causes are vehicles and the type of pollution. How is acid rain formed? Acid rain is formed when the pollution in the air increases and mixes with the clouds. When the polluted clouds rain, it is called acid rain. Why is acid rain harmful? Acid rain is harmful not only for the environment but also humans as it causes diseases like severe itching, asthma, chronic bronchitis, etc. It causes damage for the environment as it is bad for forests. How to keep yourself safe from acid rain? Acid rain is very harmful. The best way is to prevent pollution. If your city is very polluted, don't go outside when it rains. Don't leave any clothes outside the house during the rain. Always remember to carry the umbrella when you go out. How can you prevent acid rain? Some of the methods to prevent acid rain and pollution are: use public transport, substitute plastic with cloth, use recycled products, use steel, metal or iron utensils. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.